This is an official broadcast by the Russian Federation. Many unknown entities have been found throughout the area. If you are alone in your house and hear a strange noise, do not investigate. It can be one of the entities. There are 3 types entities. There. If you come in contact with one of the entities, flee and run. The entities are merciless. However, if you manage to survive, alert the nearest police station. This is the only found image of the entity.
I do you defy me? I know all. I see all. I know what you did.
Several hours later, people have gone insane and started to kill each other.